Hello everyone, this is Bhanush and welcome back to B10X YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving headfirst into the realm of Leonardo AI, a revolutionary tool not just transforming the way we create assets, but it also sets a new standard for speed and innovation. You have got a project deadline looming and the pressure is on. In the fast-paced world of content creation, time is your most precious resource. That's where Leonardo AI steps in like a digital wizard, armed with algorithms designed to turn your creative visions into reality at an unprecedented pace. This is not your ordinary AI tool. It's a powerhouse engineered to accelerate your workflow, to turn your ideas into tangible assets in a matter of seconds. In this video, we will unravel the secrets behind Leonardo AI, exploring its features that make it a game changer for content creators across all industries. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
Alright, firstly, here at Google, let's search for Leonardo AI. And click on the first option you are getting, that is Leonardo AI art generator, create art, images and more. Now we are all set to go, guys. So first let's create an account. So if you have an email, you can go with that, or else directly the options are here with Google login and Microsoft and Apple. So I'll be logging in it with a Google. Firstly, let's get a quick tour of this platform. So at home, you will get an interface like this where you can quickly generate image and also real-time canvas, and also you can edit some of the pictures you import, and you will get recent creations where people have already trained these models and you are all set to go with these guys. And here you have a community feed. At community feed, you'll also have fine-tuned models where it is already trained in such a way that it gives its own uniqueness. Can you see it here? So sketchbook styles, the uniqueness of sketchbook that is hand drawn will be generated over with this fine-tuned model, right? And you also get personal feed where this covers all your generated images and also your follower feeds and liked feeds. Okay, and now looking into training and data sets, so this is a option where you can create your own. With this you can add some data and also the images so that you can customize based on your requirement with a particular prompt you give in. And now let's see fine tune models. As I told you earlier, this is some of the models which is already a default by Leonardo. And trust me guys, Leonardo AI is a very good competitor for Midjourney and also the other AI tools where you can generate images and assets like this. Before moving further, I wanted to tell you that we at B10X offer in-depth workshops on AI tools for just rupees 9. And in this workshop, you will be mentored by two alumni of IIT Kharagpur. So take the first step towards mastering AI tools and prompt engineering skills with B10X. That's right, a small investment for a big leap in your knowledge. Click the link in the description to access our workshops and unlock your AI potential today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your AI journey with B10X now. Now with this quick tour, let's start generating an images or assets in Leonardo AI. So I'll go to home, and once you go to home page, you will get an image generation option here. So click on that. So we have to create a image by giving a prompt, right? So let's give it. And guys, prompt goes like this. This is basically a prompt I generated from ChatGPT, and you can also use other AI chatbots to generate a very great prompt so that you will get a very specified output when it comes to the art generation in Leonardo AI. Look at this, guys. Look at this prompt. It's explaining given a single imagination of a picture, right? So this gives us a exact visionary output. So I would suggest to go to any AI chatbots to create a prompt like this. So let's click on generate, and I'm really excited to look the output. So look at this, guys. Within a matter of seconds, the images will be generated. So it's already at 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you are all set to go with the images. Look at this awesome creativity, guys. Look at this awesome creativity. With this speed and with this accuracy and effectiveness, you won't get any image generated with these competitors like Leonardo competitors. And you have a new feature now, and that too with a fast and accuracy, and that feature is a motion, generating a motion video. If you can click on this one single option, you can generate a image to motion, right? So let's generate and look into the output how we get. So even this thing, in a matter of seconds, that will be done, guys. So this is the accuracy and the fastness of the Leonardo AI platform. Image generation is really quicker than this image to motion generation. And here we are, guys. It's not even a minute. We have generated a motion video like this with just an image. So it's crazy, right? Isn't it crazy, guys? Alright. Overall, this amazing AI tool really creates an assets within matter of seconds and with high quality. And to learn more AI tools like this, join our 3 hours live workshop, and the link to the workshop is given in the description. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.